See video lesson prepared by N. Markandeya, lecturer in chemistry, MVS Government Arts and Science College, Mahabub Nagar, Department of Chemistry. Topic is chemical bonding. MOED, molecular orbital energy diagram of homonuclear diatomic molecules. So for BSc first year, first semester. See here, molecular orbital energy diagram of homonuclear diatomic molecules. See here, homonuclear means the molecule formed the same atoms. For example, H2, Cl2, so F2, N2, O2, C2. So these all are formed the same molecule. So these all molecules known as a homodiatomic molecules. Homodiatomic molecules. So we have to discuss the molecular orbital energy diagram for this type of homodiatomic molecules. See first example, hydrogen molecules. See here, hydrogen atomic number is 1. So electron configuration of hydrogen atom is 1s1. The hydrogen molecule contains 2 electrons and are in molecular orbital sigma 1s2, are in molecular orbitals sigma 1s2. So see the molecular orbital energy diagram for hydrogen atom. See, this is the 1s orbital, this is the 1s orbital, this is atomic orbital of hydrogen molecule, though this is also in right side atomic orbital of hydrogen molecule. These atomic orbitals combined to form a 2 molecular orbital. These middle orbitals are the molecular orbitals. So this is the in this molecular orbital, one molecular orbital having the lowest energy than the atomic orbital. This orbital is known as a, this is the energy diagram. This sigma 1s orbital having the lowest energy than the atomic orbital. So this orbital is known as a bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital. This is denoted by sigma 1s. Okay, another molecular orbital having the highest energy than the atomic orbital. This orbital, this is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is denoted by sigma star 1s. Sigma star 1s. So 2 atomic orbitals form a 2 molecular orbitals. In that molecular orbitals, half molecular orbitals are the bonding molecular orbitals. So another half molecular orbitals are the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So this is the hydrogen molecule diagram. So now we can fill the total hydrogen molecule having the 2 electrons. These 2 electrons we fill the from lowest energy to highest energy. So each orbital can occupy the 2 electrons. So these 2 electrons filled in sigma 1s orbital. Sigma 1s orbital. Sigma star 1s orbital or empty orbital. Next, properties of these. So first calculate the bond order. So bond order formula is Nb minus Na by 2. Here Nb is equal to number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals. Next, Na means number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals. So see in the molecular orbital energy diagram. So without sigma, without star group, those are the bonding molecular orbitals. So with star gurtu orbitals are the antibonding molecular orbitals. In this hydrogen atom, so 2 electrons are in bonding molecular orbital. So 2 minus 0 by 2, that is called 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So bond order is 1. That means this hydrogen molecule exists in the hydrogen bond hydrogen. So the in hydrogen molecule, the 2 hydrogen so bonded with single bond, so bond order is equal to 1. So next, magnetic property. So these are no unoccupied, there is no unpaired electron in hydrogen molecules here. So this is the paired electron, this is the empty orbital. So there is no unpaired electron in hydrogen molecule. So therefore hydrogen molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Hydrogen molecule is diamagnetic in nature. So these are the properties of hydrogen molecules, bond order and mainly magnetic property. Next, see the helium molecule. So atomic number of helium atom is 2. So the number of electrons in helium molecule is 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. So the molecular electronic configuration is so 1s2, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. So these electrons we can fill in the molecular orbitals. So molecular orbitals energy diagram is molecular orbitals electronic configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. So 4 electrons completed. So this is the molecular orbital diagram. This is the helium A atom atomic orbital. This is helium B atomic orbital. So these 2 atomic orbitals combined to form a 2 molecular orbitals. So in that sigma 1s is the bonding molecular orbital, sigma star 1s is the antibonding molecular orbital. Here sigma star 1s. Okay. So these are the molecular orbitals. These 4 electron so filled molecular orbitals. So these sigma 1s molecular orbital, or that means bonding molecular orbital occupied 2 electrons and antibonding molecular orbitals all occupied 2 electrons. So this is the molecular orbital diagram. So now calculate the bond order. So bond order is equal to so NB minus Na by 2. NB minus Na by 2. Here NB means so in sigma 1s orbital 2 electrons are there, minus Na. Na means number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals. This is also 2. So therefore 2 by 2. So by 0 by 2 means 0. So that means so helium molecule bond order is 0. That means there is no bond between 2 helium atom in helium molecule. So helium molecule does not exist. Helium molecule does not exist. So it is mono atom. So noble gases are the monoatomic molecules. So it is also monoatomic molecule. So this is the energy level diagram. Okay. Next, see the lithium molecule. Lithium molecule. See here atomic number of lithium is 3. So electronic configuration of lithium atom is 1s2, 2s1. So the total number of electrons in lithium molecule, that means Li2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. The molecular orbital electronic configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2. So there are 6 electrons completed, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2. Here sigma 1s and sigma 2s both are the bonding molecular orbital. Sigma star is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. So now see the energy level diagram. So helium atom electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. So here also this is helium A, this is helium B. These are the atomic orbitals. These also atomic orbital 1s2, 2s2. So these 1s atomic orbital combined to form a 2 molecular orbitals, that is sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Next, so 2s atomic orbitals combined to form a 2 molecular orbitals. These are sigma 2s molecular orbital, sigma star 2s orbitals. Total 4 molecular orbitals are there for 4 atomic orbitals. Now we can fill the molecular orbitals with electrons. So there are total 6 electrons are there. So we can put 2 electrons in sigma 1s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s. So 2 electrons in sigma 2s. So now the bond order, BO is equal to, so bonding electrons, this is 2 electrons bonding electrons, this is bonding electrons, so total 4, minus anti-bonding electrons are 2. So 4 minus 2 by 2, that means 2 by 2, 2 by 2 means 1. So in lithium molecule, so one bond is there between 2 lithium atoms, lithium bond lithium. So okay, so in highest energy orbital, that means sigma 2s orbital contain paired electrons, there is no unpaired electrons. So this lithium molecule is the diamagnetic nature, it shows the diamagnetic nature. Next, beryllium molecule, so same method. So beryllium atomic number is 4, beryllium atom electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. So total number of electrons in beryllium molecule so is 4 plus 4, 8. So the electronic configuration of molecular orbitals is here sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Total 8 electrons so filled in molecular orbitals like this order. Here sigma 1s, sigma 2s are the bonding molecular orbitals, sigma stars and sigma star 1s, sigma star 2s are the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So number of bonding electrons 4, number of anti-bonding electrons also 4. See here, this is the energy level diagram, this is the beryllium molecule. So this is beryllium atom, this is also beryllium atom. So beryllium electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2. So 1s atomic orbitals combined to form a 2 molecular orbitals, that is sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. So the atomic orbitals, 2s atomic orbitals combined to form a 2 molecular orbitals, so that are sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. These 8 electrons we can fill the molecular orbitals from down to top. 2 electrons in sigma 1s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s, 2 electrons in sigma 2s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s. So the molecule, so here bond order also 0, here bond order also 0. So the molecule does not exist. So non-bonding orbitals sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. So number of non-bonding electrons for the molecular in which pi orbitals exist. So 2p orbitals exist from boron. So this is the beryllium molecular orbital energy diagram. Next boron. See a general energy level diagram, diatomic molecules of 2p block elements. So 2p block elements means boron, like that, 2p third group, fourth group elements, like that. So here sigma star 2py, sigma star 2p, z and pi star 2py. Are comparable in energy and hence their ordering in. So we already discussed this. This is the symmetrical molecular energy diagram. So this is the unsymmetrical. This is the unsymmetrical. First one unsymmetrical, because we can cut here. There is no identical molecules form here. Here we can cut here. These are the identical molecules. So this is the symmetrical molecules. This is the unsymmetrical molecules. The symmetrical molecular orbital diagram for nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine molecules, like that. So these are these boron, carbon, nitrogen, like that molecules follow this molecular energy diagram. See, next see the boron. So atomic orbital boron is 5. Atomic number of boron atom is 5. So total electronic configuration of boron atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So the total number of electrons in boron molecule is 5 plus 5, 10. So there are 10 electrons in total. 6 orbitals out of 10 electrons. 4 electrons occupy sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. So these two are non-bonding orbitals. See here, this is the molecular orbital energy diagram for boron is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p y1, pi 2p z1. So here, so unpaired electrons are present in the boron molecule. So boron is the paramagnetic in nature. Okay, next see the carbon molecule. So atomic number of carbon is 6. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 6 electrons. So the total number of electrons in carbon molecule is 6 plus 6, 12. So these molecular electronic configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p y2, pi 2p z2. Okay, so in without star gurtu bonding molecular orbital, with star gurtu antibonding molecular orbitals. Number of bonding electrons is 8. Number of antibonding electrons are 4. So total bond order is equal to, so 8 by 4 by 2, that means 4 by 2, that means 2. So bond energy is 160 kilocalories per mole, and this suggests the bond order to be 2 as there are no unpaired electrons. So these 12 electrons we can fill like that. So this is the carbon atom electronic configuration. This is the another carbon atom electronic configuration. These are the molecular orbitals. These 12 electrons filled in molecular orbitals. See here, sigma 1s 2 electrons, sigma star 1s orbital filled with 2 electrons, sigma 2s molecular orbital filled with 2s, sigma star molecular orbital filled with 2s 2 electrons. So pi 2py, pi 2pz both are 2 electrons. These two orbitals are the same energy orbitals. So final 12 electrons filled like that. So there is no unpaired electrons. So this carbon molecule are the diamagnetic in nature. So next, nitrogen molecule. So atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So electronic configuration of nitrogen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So total number of electrons in nitrogen molecule is 7 plus 7, 14 electrons. Okay. So molecular electronic configuration, these 14 electrons filled in molecular orbitals like sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2. Okay, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2. Okay, so this is the energy level diagram of nitrogen molecule. So see here, this is the Na nitrogen molecule. So this is also another nitrogen molecule. So nitrogen electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So in 3 orbitals, 3p orbitals, 1 electron filled. So this is another nitrogen molecules. So these 14 electrons filled in. So molecular orbital according to Hund's rule. See here, 1s 2 electrons in sigma 1s molecular orbital, 2 electrons in sigma star 1s orbital, 2 electrons in sigma 2s orbital. So like that, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, total 14 electrons is completed. Now bond order is Nb minus Na by 2. So here Nb is equal to, see here, bonding orbitals 2 electrons, 2, 4 electrons, 6 electrons, 7, 8, here 9, 10, total 10 electrons bonding electrons minus anti-bonding electrons. So this is 2 electrons, this is 2 electrons, 4, total 4 electrons. So 10 minus 4 by 2, that means 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 3. So the bond order in nitrogen molecule is 3. So nitrogen molecule exists like nitrogen triple bond nitrogen, N triple bond N. So these are the 3 bonds. So is in between the 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay. So bond energy of this nitrogen molecule is 255 kilocalories per mole. So thus there exists a triple bond in the nitrogen molecule. So in nitrogen molecules there is no unpaired electrons. So in highest energy orbitals occupied the paired electrons, so there is no unpaired electrons. So hence it shows a diamagnetic nature. Hence it shows a diamagnetic nature. So this bond order 1 by 2, 8 by 2 by 2, total 3. So triple bond, so bond energy is high compared to other molecules. So this is the molecular orbital energy diagram of nitrogen molecule. So okay, so here this is the molecular energy level diagram for nitrogen. So okay, these are the atomic orbitals, these are the molecular orbitals. See here, so these two 1s orbitals combined to form a 2 molecular orbitals. These 2s orbitals form a, so this is not 1s orbital, this is 2s orbital, this is also 2s orbital, this is 2p orbital. So these 6 p orbitals combined to form a 6 molecular orbital. In that 6, 3 orbitals so contain the 3 molecular orbitals having the less energy than these atomic orbitals, that is sigma 2px, pi 2py, pi 2pz orbitals. Remaining 3 molecular orbitals are the having highest energy compared to atomic orbitals. These orbitals known as a antibonding molecular orbitals. These are pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, sigma star 2px, sigma star 2px. This is the nitrogen molecule energy level diagram. This is the carbon molecule. So these are the carbon atomic orbitals, these are the carbon atomic orbitals. So this is the molecular orbitals of carbon. These molecular orbitals, so we can fill according to the Hund's rule, according to the Hund's rule. So this is the general energy level diagram for nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. So nitrogen contain the 14 electrons, so oxygen contain the 14 electrons, fluorine contain the 14 electrons. This diagram, so 14 above 14 electrons, this diagram applicable 14 electrons and above 14 electrons molecule. Okay, 14 or above 14 electron molecules, we can write this molecular orbital diagram. So below 14 electrons, so we can follow so this type of molecular orbital diagram. So this type of molecular orbital diagram. So hydrogen, so there is no p orbitals in hydrogen. So lithium also there is no p orbital. In beryllium also, so there is no p orbital. So from boron to we have the p orbitals. Boron atomic electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So here p electron is there. So boron, total boron molecule contain the 10 electrons. So it follows this diagram. This follows this diagram. So the nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine having the more than 14 electrons, so they are follow this molecular orbital energy diagrams. Okay, this is the molecular orbital energy diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules, homo nuclear diatomic molecules. Okay, thank you.